Okay, Proton ertiga change OEM armrest. Okay, you have to remove the screw. You got two screw here, left and right. Okay, then move out the small original armrest. Okay, then this is the special OEM armrest for Proton ertiga. Okay, the original secret writer head you have to change, remove it and fix in a new armrest, and two clip, these two clip, and the rubber as well. Okay, now to fix it. Connect the OEM socket plug in for the secret writer power. Okay, and fix in. Okay, the clip, left and right screw. Okay, and fix these two, clip it. And this is OEM armrest for Proton ertiga. Thank you. Buy one piece.